This is a message authorized by the United States government. This is not a test. If you are currently seeing this message, you are all alone. Again, of you are seeing this message, you are all alone. You are the only human on Earth. This may be highly shocking and distressing, but you must pay attention, as this message will change everything you knew. This is a simulation. You are being tested by the United States government in a simulation game known as Existence Plus. This means that you are not real. The goal of this simulation is to test how a human reacts in a familiar environment without anyone around them. We understand that you may be alarmed. We understand that you may not believe this. But this isn't a conspiracy. This is not a hoax. This is your new reality. During the duration of this experiment, you will be monitored 24/7, excluding certain times, such as using the restroom. You will have the complete freedom to do anything you want, as there are 0 rules. You are free to take out your anger. You are free to break the law. You are free to travel anywhere. If you have any questions, please write them on a paper and place it on a table. This could be any table. You must write questions for them at the top, and the paper must be facing upwards. The questions shouldn't be on the back side. Again, you are the last person on Earth. There is no one else, no one to help you, no one to save you, no one to talk to you. You are completely alone. We thank you for your cooperation and understanding. Goodbye for now.